We're back at the massive Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, which is not just about the big companies with their big flashy stands. Alistair Keane has been to what I think is the most exciting hall of all, which may just contain the next big thing.
This is Eureka Park, a space packed full of startups, all trying to find new customers and investment. But what does it take to present your tech on the global stage? Let's go meet some of them.
My name is Mirko Cesena, co-founder of Jetsi. I'm from Italy originally, but 4 years ago I moved in Switzerland for founding this company together with my partner Herbert Weirater.
I'm Peter Yao from Hong Kong, and our company is called XOXO Packages.
Hi, I'm Beatrice. We're from ST37, so Sport and Technology for 37 Olympic sports.
This really is an around-the-world trip in bright ideas, with many of these startups bringing their tech to this huge event for the first time. That makes it an ideal hunting ground for those looking to invest in the next big thing.
The entrepreneur is so important and so special in being able to make an opportunity successful. They've got to be able to walk through 10 feet concrete walls in order to make their vision a reality.
Passion must play a role in it as well if the company is passionate about it.
To be an entrepreneur, you have to be a little bit crazy. You have to believe that what you want to bring to the world that doesn't exist needs to be there, and most other people don't see that.
What we do is that we have created a machine that is focusing on making cocktails and mocktails. So now the machine itself is, we're doing a rental business to all the businesses like bars and restaurants, so they can help to produce different drinks.
It's a drone that goes onto the side of buildings.
Exactly. We take off from the building and we land in the other building. So basically flying in between these two places makes us very efficient because the doctors and nurses, they just need to open the window and place the package inside the drone, or also take it out as soon as it arrives, and it charges automatically, does everything by itself. We need no manpower at all.
So we do AI video analysis, and today we're presenting it, the application into video refereeing specifically.
So you have trained computers on the rules of sports.
Exactly.
And it can replace the referee?
It could actually. For now we give the assistance for the referee so he can have the final call.
This is a new cooking technology to cook and bake your food. It is a way to cook fast at low temperatures. And we do that with running electrical currents through your ingredients. We have developed specially for CES a blueberry muffin square, where the cake base has been baked from a raw dough to the cake in 3 minutes. And in addition, that cuts also 90% in energy use versus a regular domestic oven.
This certainly is a place where you'll see new ideas being brought to the world. So can these inventions make it to the next stage and the mass market? The proof will be in the pudding.
Don't know about you, but I still love a robot. Here's one that's making me a latte.
Tell you this better be a blooming good coffee.
Whether or not it'll beat the human barista or indeed the coffee maker depends on your point of view, I suppose. But this type of bot certainly generates a bit of interest at these shows.
BBC Foamy Hazelnut Latte, they even know my nickname.
Thanks for coming. Have a nice day.
I will, thank you very much.
Much more useful and I think more practical are robots that can roam our world doing the more mundane stuff like sweeping the roads. Here's a concept robot mooting the idea that if you're going to go off grid, you might want a solar panel on wheels that follows the sun like a sunflower, gradually charging its batteries so that you can then run your camp, your car, or anything else you got knocking about that's electric.
I'm going to build my own robot.
ITRI is Taiwan's Industrial Technology Research Institute, and I'm trying out its new modular robot design. which involves quite a bit of twisting.
Talk amongst yourselves. To be honest, you get a robot to do this bit, couldn't you?
A typical production line might need several different types of robot, but this prototype has interchangeable joints, so you can build and alter your bots as you need them.
I thought I crossed the thread then. In which case we'd leave quite quick and let them sort it out.
This means you don't need to bring in specialised robots if you only want to make a small batch of items. And if something goes wrong, you can swap out a faulty joint without having to shut down the whole arm.
There, I built myself a completely useless robot arm with nothing on the end. You're welcome. Daddy! Yes, my child. I'm just waiting for my next guest in this robot theme section. Don't know where it is. Oh my. Oh my gosh.
This is H1, a remote-controlled prototype from Chinese company Unitree. I've seen this outfit at a couple of tech fairs now, and although Boston Dynamics has one YouTube with its amazing dog and humanoid bot vids, this is a reminder that this kind of tech is not unique anymore. H1 is nowhere near as advanced as some, but it does have the basic balancing skills, which means it can certainly handle some action from a kid from the mean streets of Vegas.
All right. I've always wanted to do this.
I think it's time to exit stage right.
Cool. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Not happy about that.
And that's it from here for now. But like a Vegas buffet, there is way too much for one sitting.
Trust me, I've tried.
So we'll be back in this crazy place next week.
You do not want to miss it. See you there. See you there?
See you there.
Excellent.